Looking to build an AI-powered side hustle from scratch in just a few days? Building an AI-powered side hustle might seem like a far-off dream, something only tech-savvy experts can achieve. But the truth is, it's more accessible than ever. With the right tools and mindset, you can create a thriving online business in no time, even if you have zero coding experience. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to start a side hustle is because they feel like they don't have the time. They're already overwhelmed with work, family, and personal responsibilities, and the thought of adding one more thing to their plate is daunting. Another common obstacle is the perceived need for technical skills. Many people assume that building a successful online business requires extensive knowledge of programming and coding, which can be intimidating. But what if you could leverage artificial intelligence to automate tedious tasks, free up your time, and focus on high-leverage activities that actually drive revenue and growth? The good news is that AI has become incredibly accessible, and there are tons of user-friendly tools and platforms that can help you launch a side hustle in no time. The lack of technical skills doesn't have to hold you back either. With the rise of no-code and low-code solutions, you can create complex applications and automation workflows without writing a single line of code. This streamlining of technology has leveled the playing field, allowing anyone with a willingness to learn and take action to build a successful online business. For example, you can use AI-powered website builders to create a professional-looking website in a matter of hours. You can leverage machine learning algorithms to optimize your marketing campaigns and reach your target audience with precision. And you can even use natural language processing to automate tasks like customer support and content creation. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you don't need to be a tech expert to take advantage of these tools. Take a look at the description below as we provide links to several of these tools. Here's an incredible success story of someone who built a thriving AI-powered side hustle in just a few days. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom, was struggling to make ends meet. She had a passion for writing, but she didn't know how to turn it into a sustainable income. So she decided to take the plunge and create an AI-powered ebook publishing business. With the help of AI tools, she was able to generate high-quality ebooks in a matter of hours and then sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Etsy, and other digital product marketplaces. In just a few days, she was making thousands of dollars in passive income, and her business was growing exponentially. Sarah's story is not an isolated incident. There are countless examples of people who have built successful AI-powered side hustles in just a few days. And the best part is that you can do it too. You don't need to be a tech expert or have a lot of experience. You just need to be willing to learn, take action, and be open to new opportunities. We'd love to hear your thoughts on building an AI-powered side hustle in the comments below. If you want to learn more about how to leverage AI for side hustle success, be sure to hit subscribe so you can stay updated with the latest news and tips as it relates to AI and AI content creation. Thanks again for watching.